Okay, let's start working on this bulk emails tool. First of all, we need a URL pattern, right? So I want the URL patterns to be something like this: emails/send email. Okay, so I want this email. It is because with this email, I'm also going to make the different tool which is related to emails only, right? So that is called email tracking. So that's the reason I'm going to use this emails as a slug. Anyway, let's actually build the URL pattern, which I said emails/send email, right? So what I'll do is I'll actually create an app first. Okay, so that is because we are actually working on the email module, right? So that's why we can have a different or dedicated app for this feature, right? So that's why I'm going to stop this Django development server and I'm going to run python manage.py start app, and I'll call this app as emails. Okay, so python manage.py start app emails. Okay, so I got the emails app created. I'll first go to installed apps and register it. Go to the settings, and in the installed apps, I'm going to say emails. Okay, so next, let me run the server. See, I said I want this kind of URL pattern, right? So first of all, I want to handle this one, emails. When someone comes to emails, path emails /. Okay, when the request comes to this emails, then I should include or I should forward him to the emails app. Okay, so I'll say emails.urls module. So now I'll actually create a new URL pattern. I mean urls.py file. And in here, first of all, I need to import the path, right? So path comes from django.urls. I don't need include here. So I'll import path here. And after that, I'll say URL patterns. Okay, so this is a list. In this list, I'm going to create a new path. I'm going to say send email / comma views dot send underscore email, comma name. We'll name it as send underscore email. Okay, send email. Put a comma here. Okay, so here I need to import the views because I'm going to create some views inside this emails app. So I'll say from dot import views. Okay, perfect. So now this URL pattern is ready. It is saying no module named emails.urls. There is a URLs module. Let me run the server again. It is saying emails.views has no attribute, send email. So this function is not created, right? So that's why we are getting that error. So we go to the views.py and create a function and call it as send email, pass in the request, return render request, comma emails. Okay, I'm going to create emails folder inside the template. Okay, so that's why I'm naming it as emails, because whatever HTML file that I'm going to use in this section is related to the emails app, right? So that's why I'm going to say send email.html. Okay, send email.html. And so inside the templates, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to say emails. Okay, so inside that emails, I'm going to create this one, this send email.html. Okay, so make sure you create this file inside emails folder. Okay, I have created send email.html. Now I'll say h1 send email page. Okay, so let's refresh the page and you see send email page is working. Okay, so at this point we can actually load the base template because we need the header right? I'll say extends space base.html. Okay, save the file and refresh the page, and here you can see we have got the header. Okay, so next step is to actually link that send email URL to this card, right? So let's go to home.html, and let's see where it is. This one is import data, export data, and next we have email track. Okay, yeah, here it is, bulk emails, right? So here the href we will change. You will say URL space send underscore email. Okay, save the file and let's refresh the page, and now I can click on this send email. Okay, so here I want to actually bring the form, right? So before we print the form here, we need the models, right? We are going to create 3 models because we want to store the email list names, right? So for that reason, we are going to create a model named list, and then we are also going to create another model called subscriber. So this subscriber model will actually have the email addresses, okay? And then we'll create email model, which will have the subject, body, and all those stuff, okay? So we'll create the model in the next video.